We're making lauya for dinner. Lauya. What's lauya? You'll find out.
Arghentrock.
We are going to be using this pressure cooker. So I can lift this, right? Okay. This will be under pressure when the lauya is cooking the beef. And this is garlic. I've always wondered why it's called lauya when you don't even use luya for the beef. You use garlic. So does it make sense that we should call it labawang, like what
May nagturo lang nito, hindi ko alam kung ito nga talaga yung authentic na lauya. So, kung meron, share na lang.
Share na lang, comment below.
Comment below. Kasi may nagturo lang yan.
Oh, may nagturo lang yan.
So,
this is our version of lauya. Lauya. It's like a song.
para matry din kung merong ibang version ng lauya.
Okay. This is the meat for the lauya. This is beef, right? This is beef. Beef. This beef. Hello, is this beef?
Yes, lauya is beef,
Okay.
not pork.
This is beef. Alright, so the water is now boiling inside the pressure cooker, although it's not covered yet. We're adding the beef, the pieces of beef into the boiling water. So lauya is a very simple dish. It's easy to cook as long as you have a pressure cooker. If you don't have a pressure cooker, it will take, I don't know, maybe 3 hours. It will take 3 hours.
3 hours later.
But with a pressure cooker, it will take 30 minutes later. Just 30 minutes. So we're going to cover this now. We're just going to let it boil. Oh yeah, so this will boil, and then white stuff will appear on the surface. So we will be removing that white stuff. Okay, so we're now removing the white stuff that's floating on the surface. So it's some kind of fatty residue. So the reason why we're removing that is because okay, so it gives some unfavorable taste to the broth. I don't know what it tastes like, but I'm not gonna taste it.
Parang siya yung lansa nung
Oh, it's like
ng baka.
yeah.
Kahit sa pork, ganun din. Kung ano ka ng sabaw, laging ganito, tatanggalin mo to.
Okay, so every time you're cooking something with broth, you always remove the white stuff, that residue, some fatty residue. So after all the white stuff has been removed, we will be adding the ingredients, which includes the garlic, pepper, salt,
and fish sauce.
We're not gonna add fish here, just fish sauce, patis.
And a little amount of veggies.
And ajinomoto, yes. And then we will add the chayote. We will be cooking this in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. This is one of the most delicious beef dishes that you can eat here in the Philippines. It's so simple, but it's so delicious. You know, tourists should try it. You know, bloggers should try it. Everyone should try it.
Try it.
The ingredients. First, we add the garlic. And if you notice, the garlic, we don't crush the garlic. And we even include the skin. Okay, some pepper. corns, peppercorns, black peppercorns.
Daming garlic, mas masarap.
The more the garlic, the merrier, the tastier.
Tastier.
And this is arghentrock from Japan. Salt. And the fish sauce. This is Filipino patis. Did you know that the Romans invented patis?
No.
Huh?
Yes and no.
Yes and no? You knew about that?
So kasi may lasa yung sabaw para may lasa yung meat.
Yes. Okay. How's it taste? Perfect. A little more salt.
More salt.
Where is your chayote?
Later. Tender na.
You mean after cooking in the pressure cooker? Okay, so that's your chayote will be added after this has cooked in the pressure cooker. Okay, turn off the flame first before covering the pot. Make sure that it's secure. And then put that on top, whatever that's called. It's the pressure valve. Okay, now it's on. 30 minutes.
Antay mo siyang whistle bago mag 30 minutes. Bago ka
Yes, we will hear this whistle. If not 30 minutes, but it should whistle. Alright, so this is the chayote. So here in the Philippines, we just call it sayote. So you rub the first cut with the top that you just cut off. That's to remove the sap, which is kind of bitter. At least that's the logic, if you can call it logic.
Frozen yung aking sayote.
Oh, this is frozen, guys. This is frozen sayote. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and now we have shut off the flame and we're now releasing the pressure. There. This is the Lauya. Okay, this is not yet ready to eat. We still need to add the chayote. How long will the chayote cook? Okay, so we added water to the broth. How long will the chayote cook?
Depende, iba-iba yung sayote.
Will you be using the pressure cooker again or just boiling it? Okay, so we won't be using pressure now to cook the chayote. We will just cover it. An ordinary cover will do. So this will boil maybe for another maybe 30 minutes again. So we will be boiling this for another 30 minutes or 15. Yeah. Okay, so here it is after another 30 minutes. So we just tasted it and we found out that it needs more salt and garlic. So we're going to add more garlic because it has to have that garlicky flavor, that rich garlic flavor, and it's not quite there yet. And the chayote is not yet that much cooked. It needs to be cooked more. So more time in the pan, in the pot. We're now plating our lauya. Actually, this isn't a plate. This is a small bowl. so we have our lauya here, and I have my chili container. So this is an excellent chili recipe. It's Bicolano, where chilies are quite common. So I'm just going to get some broth and douse my rice with the garlic broth, and you get a piece of lauya and also chayote, and I hope to find some garlic. Oh, there you go, there's one piece of garlic. Okay, let's see what this tastes like. So we pressure cook this for 30 minutes, and the meat is now fairly soft. So I'm going to add some chili oil and add the chayote and the garlic. Perfect. Perfect broth, garlic broth. Yeah, so hot it burns the tongue, burns your mouth, which is perfect. You can see the oily droplets on the surface, and that's perfect. You know, if the sabaw is the broth, it's great when you see those droplets, and when you taste the broth, it burns the mouth. It's strange, but that's what makes broth here in the Philippines good, and it's perfect. Oh. So I'm gonna eat this. We're gonna eat dinner now, and I'll see you later. Stay safe.
Arghentrock.